Hello, in this video we will discuss how to initialize an array. So there are four methods to initialize an array. The first method, we are declaring the return type followed by the array name and also defining the length of an array, and then within curly braces we are defining all the elements of the array. The second method is that we are defining the return type, the array name, but we are not defining the size of the array. Instead, we are putting the elements inside the curly braces. This gives us the flexibility to change the size of the array. In the third method, we are declaring the return type as well as the size of an array, and we are defining every element of array using the index, but this can be a very tedious job to do if the array is very large, so it is not a preferred method. And finally, the last method is using a for loop where we are allowing the user to enter all the data of the array. Now we know that once we fix the size of an array, we cannot change it. So what happens if the number of elements entered are less than the maximum size of the array? In that case, the empty slots of memory are replaced with 0 value, and if we run the entire array, then the number 0 will be printed in the places where we haven't entered any value.
And that's all for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.